Hello guys, welcome back. This is Atul from BePractical Tech Solutions. Today we are going to see one main interesting problem regarding the array, that is find out the missing number in the given array. So here I have the value from 1 to n, and here we have to find out like which number is missing from the given array. Let's say, for example, I have one array which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say that I will remove 3. So the array becomes 1, 2, 4, 5. So here we have to find out the third element. This is the number which is missing from the given array. So we have to find out that number. So the logic we can find out is like, what we can do is here we can first use the formula for sum of the first n natural number. You guys maybe know this. So it is we are going to use that, and then we are going to find out the sum of all the elements in the given array. Let's say 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5, right? And at the end we will going to subtract these values. That is the sum of the first n natural number minus the sum of the given elements. That will give me the missing number from the given array. So in order to understand this concept, let me share the screen. And so you can see here I have one array, 7, 5, 6, 1, 4, 2. So from here, which is the number which is getting missing? So let's say 1 is there, 2 is there, and now so you can see this 3 is not there. And I have 4, 5, 6, 7. So remaining all the values are there, but only the 3 is not there. So it means that we have to get the output as a value 3. So now what we can do is, as I told you here, let me call this function and also pass me the length of this array. So let me call this function missing number. And here I can do is like I can get it as a int n is equals to array dot length. Okay, so I'm going to send this value also. And here, let me send this of integer type. Now here, one thing I need to make sure that you guys understood. So here, let's say, for example, I have this 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to, let's say the value is 4, 2 plus. So here, what basically I'm trying to say is, here I have to find out the missing number, right? So here it means that I have to add one, let's say, for example, x here, right? So the same concept, we are going to add one more element in this given array, right? So how we can do that? So let's say that I'm going to define one temporary variable as a element sum, and I'm going to assign with the value 0. Now here I have to find out the sum of the first n natural number. So here, what kind of formula we can apply? The formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So what we can do, let me write like the length is equals to n plus 1. Okay, so now here I am going to get the sum of the n natural number is equals to sum, let's say its variable is sum total, is equals to length multiplied by length plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, and now as I told you that here what we have to find out the sum of n natural number minus the sum of the elements. So now again I'm going to use the enhanced for loop in order to get the sum of all the elements. So it is going to be array, and here let me update this value, element sum plus equals to ELE, right? And now at the end, what we can do is like int missing number is equals to sum total minus element sum. Element sum. Now at the end, we'll just return this missing number. Okay, now let's check this. So it is returning me one integer value. So int number is equals to missing number. And now let me print this value. Missing number is equals to number. Save this. And you can see this, we are getting the value 3. So this is how we can find out the missing number. So it's very simple. We just need to find out the sum of a natural number minus the sum of all the elements in the given array. So hope you guys understand the concept. See you in another day. Thank you.